Alrighty, how's everyone doing? I'm Eric Rempel, the Chief Innovation Officer for Redwood Logistics, here with John Pattison, our Senior Innovation Architect. So a little bit about Redwood Logistics before we hop into the demo. Redwood Logistics is a next-generation freight management company. We are powered by passionate people, awesome business processes, and leading-edge technology solutions. We're made up of a top 20 multimodal brokerage out of Chicago. We have full truckload assets. We have a managed transportation service arm, which is powered by our technology that we'll go through here in a bit today. And we do supply chain engineering services to identify and integrate the most optimal supply chain automation capabilities for our customers. And we're a leading edge technology provider and systems integrator. So what we do is we engineer, connect, and run integrated supply chains. And we do that by transforming shipper supply chains through integrating and optimizing their systems, processes, and partners. So there's a problem out there, and that problem is that system integrations are complex and risky. People buy new software. You can see some of the connectors we've got on the screen here. But essentially, we sell our software and we sell systems integrations to shippers because when we talk to them, there's a major challenge. There's an IT demand gap, there's a backup of capabilities, and the ability to integrate. So when we talk to our shippers after they look to integrate this new awesome technology, we say, well, what if? What if you didn't need complex IT support or very much IT support for integration at all? What if you could reuse your connectors and the way in which you're potentially even doing business with other trading partners today? What if you could get your legacy systems and all your new systems to communicate in real time so that the value of 1 + 1 is more than 2, but you actually get these two systems that do amazing things to do ridiculously amazing things together? And then what if a business could describe their optimal supply chain to logistic experts and they could listen to it and actually understand what you want to happen instead of dealing with offshoring and IT specs and all of that complex stuff? So what we're showing here today is the next generation user interface of Redwood Connect. This is our supply chain integration platform that we've already used over the last 5 years to connect hundreds of shippers, thousands of carriers and supply chain partners, a myriad of ground and cloud-based applications that deliver value to all of our customers. And what we've done is we've automated business process integration through process API creation. And what that means is integration timelines, one of the most challenging and frustrating components of getting any new system, whether it's a TMS or WMS or getting your ERP to talk, is gone from months to weeks. And with this new integration UI, what we're doing is we're hoping to take this integration level down to a few days, where anyone can just drag and drop reusable components to orchestrate how your two systems or multiple systems will talk to each other so you can get fast time to value and maximize your ROI on those investments. So what you're seeing on the screen here is actual data flow going in between components, and what happens is people need to manage those integrations. So the reason we built it this way is that at Redwood, the team that listens to the logistic experts or the supply chain directors at our customers are the same folks that do the integrations. So we actually created Redwood Connect to make their jobs easier, with super easy to connect implementations, drag and drop integrations, connecting to any system, any protocol, any file format, any frequency. And what we do is we automatically create these process APIs that create scalability, security, and reliability all built in without code. So our implementers actually do this through drag and drop composability, and we give our customers that near instant time to value and ROI. So you heard a lot of talk this morning about customers or companies that say we can integrate, we can integrate, we can integrate. We make that really, really fast. We're so good at it that MercuryGate named us their Logistics Integrator of the Year last year, and we just work on eliminating integration risk. So how did we get here? We got here because we've been working on the space between for quite a long time, the space between systems, between trading partners, between shippers and carriers and other 3PLs. And we've had product envy because there's been a lot of really cool products out there that are on the market that do amazing things. So what we've been doing as the glue in between those systems and the blocking and tackling is we work with those shippers and we actually go in and we figure out how to make those apps more valuable by injecting business logic in between those systems when they talk. So these fast and reliable integrations are a critical part of us realizing value, but also we've turned these necessary integrations, these painful building blocks between two systems talking into supply chain transformation catalysts. And obviously what John is showing here is some of that data. This is real statistics on what's going on our platform and showing that you can not only just say, hey, like a van, you can connect my data and do anything, but more importantly, we can actually give you insight into what's going on in your business. But there's more than just integration insight. There's business analytics. Not only do we integrate your systems and configure your TMS, but we connect those trading partners and orchestrate your supply chain. But there's high-speed data warehousing and cloud analytics built right in. So every single time our customers connect to us through our API pipelines and gateways, what happens is that same data becomes an ETL pipeline so that those B2B and A2A integrations that we're setting up go into a high-speed cloud data warehouse. That's unbelievably fast. And if our customers have their own data warehouses and they have their own BI tools, cool. We can stream data right into those as well so that they can start becoming data-driven supply chains and more modern organizations. So what happens is our experts work with them to understand their logistics challenges, and when we understand those challenges, we can create these dashboards, these visibility pipelines, a way to look at your business and ask questions and then immediately get answers. So we're helping companies go from descriptive and diagnostic to predictive and prescriptive analytics through our platform. And really quickly, to the innovative companies here. We've heard a lot of unbelievable pitches and know a lot of you guys and what kind of SaaS products you're bringing to the market, and your products are awesome. And don't take our word for it, you're getting market demand and traction. And when you close a deal or when you're getting close to closing that deal, your customers just need to connect to your beautifully documented experience APIs that live at a top layer. But sometimes they can't do it. And maybe they don't have the team or they don't have the process. So what happens is perhaps you have to go to a suboptimal route. Maybe there's a contractor out there that does an okay job, or even worse, your engineers have to stop focusing on your product and your platform and go to integrate that next customer so that you can get the deal, which takes away from you generating value. So what we do is we get your customers onboarded for you quickly the first time. So what we've done is we've given ourselves peace of mind so that we can get integrations going up and running quickly around our customer integration needs. But now you can bring that integration peace of mind to your customer base as well so that you can connect that space in between and find amazing value. Thank you.